Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So Walmart hit 90% off of Christmas clearance today. I'm pretty hyper by this. I went to two stores. I didn't go crazy, but I did get a lot of stuff. And I think altogether this was like $18 tax included. These deodorants were a freebie and a moneymaker. But everything else, $18 tax included. And I'm going to walk you through all the prices. And there is still a lot of stuff to be had and found. If you have a Walmart near you, I would try and go look for some of this stuff. 90%, you can do a lot next year with that. This is this notebook that says Merry Merry and Bright. I think it's absolutely adorable. I love to gift these at Christmas time, so 50 cents, really affordable. These adorable little Christmas ornaments. This was, I think, 97 cents. Lots of the ornaments were ringing up 75, along with clothing, according to the Instagram. People are saying that, so just be mindful. Open up that app and scan so you're not overpaying for items. And it's Stranger Things. Who doesn't love Stranger Things? Very adorable Dolly Parton bag. This was, I think, like 39 cents. These cards by that company, what is it, American Greeting with the flower? These are all like classic Christmas movies, so loving this. It was $1.10. Anything with American Greeting, for whatever stupid reason, ringing up 75%. So you have to watch out, register like a hawk, and hopefully you have a nice cashier who'll do modifications for you. We have these window clings for the kiddos, and it's 19 cents. Fantastic price. This adorable little reindeer was 99 cents. It was the last one, and on some skis, so very, very cute. Probably one of my favorite finds are these really large cookie cutters, and they were 19 cents for this 2-pack, so I grabbed 6. Throw in some cookie mix with this, definitely a really thoughtful gift. 9 cents for these little, like it's like an ornament, but I'll throw it in with a gift, like a little topper. The same vein got this as a topper possibly for 9 cents, and this as well for 9 cents. So they were 99 cents, I think, originally. So 9 cents is a really good price point. These were 29 cents, and they are ribbons, and they say Merry Christmas. So very, very cute. I got this little cookie thing. I think it was 59 cents. I got it for my sister-in-law. And then 19 cents for these little Santa. I mean, you could either bake in them or make ice cubes. Very cute. 39 cents for these tissue papers. This was just a find I found in the clearance section, $1. The original price was $4. It's called Good Cook, and it doesn't really look Christmassy, so I don't know why this was $1, but I took it. And then the big Santa box was 79 cents. My husband just told me, he's like, hey, because we have rocks that we put these over, and he's like, 2 of them broke, so how great was that? I actually found this, so very, very cute. I have a 3-year-old nephew. I think that's the perfect little gift for a little boy. It's a little Christmas dog, so hopefully he'll like that. 3 next year, so it's a perfect little gift, a little stuffy. These blemish dots, they actually rang up 75%, so I had to go to customer service to get it modified, and they were 10 cents, so I got 10 of them. So overall, I'm absolutely delighted with my haul today. It was great, but I didn't go overboard. I went overboard at Hobby Lobby, and the next thing I'm going to go for is the Meijer 90%. That's going to be happening this Thursday, and then after that, the Dollar General quarter. But this one, I kind of didn't go my usual crazy. I went somewhat crazy, but not full-on crazy. Now, at a regular aisle is where I found the Dove Apple Cider Caramel Deodorant. I currently have $2 back for each, up to 3 times on IBOTTA. Now, they are like $6.99 per, and they were still ringing up $6.99. So what I did was I walked myself to customer service. I wasn't going to work with a regular cashier. I wanted a manager on the spot to say yes or no. Went there and said, hey, these are obviously holiday. They're ringing up in the app $6.99, and I didn't want to cause trouble for the cashier. So you have to be a little blunt here, guys. And I just asked a very direct question. Can I get them for 70 cents? The first store said no. The second store said yes. It's always dependent whoever is in front of you, and yeah, it's just one of those things. And when I tell you to really watch that register like a hawk, because some of the stuff will ring up properly and some of the stuff will not, and you don't want to pay like 75% off for the stuff. So anyhow, I paid 70 cents for each of these deodorants. I got 3 of them for $2.10, and then IBOTTA is giving $2 back for each with a limit of up to 3. So I got my $6 back. So it made it a $1.30 money maker per deodorant. So that was really, really fantastic. If you can try and swing that, work your negotiation skills at customer service and make it happen. Now, I just wanted to show you guys at the beginning of the Christmas season, I got my little snowman at a different store, and then I got that little skier for 99 cents. They're the exact same height, very, very similar, vintage looking, like they're called blow molds. I mean, for 99 cents, you can't beat that. So I would get out to Walmart right away. Their food is at 75, and then all the rest of the merchandise is at 90. So if you have a little budget, you want to use some Ibotta money, today's the day to go and do it. And it is Monday the 6th because some of these prices outstanding. Last store that we have is Walgreens, and you have to do these deals in store, guys. It's not negotiable. 80% off of holiday stuff. Some stuff might be bringing up a different price. Some of the stuff they're keeping until Valentine's Day, which is like a Dollar General move, but hey, it's Walgreens. And there was a good amount of stuff still remaining at the 2 stores that I visited today. And I didn't really buy any of their Christmas merch because I went so hard at Hobby Lobby and Walmart that I'm actually setting myself up with a fun little budget this year. So I'm not going like overboard. I mean, if there were some Ibotta rebates, by all means, but I just really wanted to be smart with the math this year and not really go overboard. And then a lot of the food is cheaper at Walgreens than it is at Walmart. Go figure that. Like 75% off at Walmart, 80% off at Walgreens. And they had a whole host of stuff, everything from popcorn to chocolate, nuts, just everything, even advent calendars. They had so much stuff that seemed really fun. One thing that they also had a good amount that Walmart did not have was gift wrap and bags. Those totes, which are little slippers, that were only 50% off. I wanted to grab one pair and they were still like $7.50, and I'm like, you can keep them. I'm not paying that for that. I want them for like, 70 cents or something crazy. But the holiday gift wrap, they had a bunch, and they work with Hallmark, so it is like really good quality and cute bags and bows and gift wrap, and they had a lot left. So I would absolutely head out earlier this week. If you are living in a snow belt area or a part of the USA that got hit by the storm, obviously wait. Apparently the Walgreens sale is going till the 17th, and Walmart is whenever they get cleared out. But there's probably still a good amount wherever you're living. It's definitely worth, when the snow calms down a little bit, to check it out. Some of this stuff at 80% off, like the plushies were part of it, even though it was mistagged at this one store. I really wanted to get some of these plushies for like, $2 to $4, but I said no. And Joy to the World was $1.98. I really wanted it, but 80% isn't 90%. So Walmart had a better deal. Okay, guys, stay safe out there. And if you scored big, let me know in the comments down below, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.